gotta, bitch. Hood Rich Entertainment. Gotta, all my bitches, they is gotta. All my bitches bad, and that could be my problem. Gotta, bitch, all my bitches problems. All they bitches bad, so you know they all coming. All my bitches bad, so you know I hit the throttle. In the fucking coupe, know I hit it, get the goggles. No big goggles here, but I like the Bud Light. I ain't gonna lie, I will just take flight. Swag, I'm full attack, like I'm never looking back. Cut the brake lights, cut the brake lines. Now I never stop getting to this money. You know I'm about this wood grain dripping like honey. California Kush in the motherfucking paper. No little boy, I don't do no flavors. Ain't about the cops, ain't about going to jail. Keep my mind focused now, and I will parasail higher than the moon, never to return. No, I'm about this life, bitch, I'm smoking on the earth. Put me where I belong every day. No, I'm about the money, bitch, I gotta say, California every day. No, I'm never gonna fade away. Got my music going like I can never take. No, I can't make it. Pain in the heart, the shit is dead. Put one in your brain, now you know that you dead. Don't gotta worry about double tap in your chest. Now I got you murked now. Strap up on your veils, cause I know this is not a test for me to make it. God has already told me now that I'm gonna make it. So I don't have no worries, I'm just gonna keep stacking paper. I'm gonna eat you pussy rappers like you so sweet. Me to you, bitter entree to eat. Ha! Think about it, motherfucker, do it. Now I'm about this money, no, I will pursue it. I'm in these fucking streets every motherfucking day. Put the bullets in your block, now you will say, oh, did he just do it? Did he have to pursue it? No, I can't ride, but you know I go through it. Gutter, all my bitches bad. That's probably one of my problems. Oh well, too bad. Oh well, too bad. Oh well, too bad. Oh well, too bad. Oh well. All my bitches gutter. All my bitches gutter. All my bitches bad, and that's probably my problem. Ooh.